Stop. Before you browse another listing, call a lender, or step into an open house, you need to face a hard truth. The real estate industry isn't a warm welcome to your dream home, it's a rigged casino designed to tilt the odds against you. I'm George. I've been in real estate for the last 12 years, helping people buy and sell real estate here in the Midwest in St. Louis. And I've seen this machine's gears grind from the inside. Today, I'm exposing why you're set up to fail before you even start, and how this course hands you the keys to beat the house. Picture yourself in a casino where every slot machine is wired to favor the industry, not you. The system's incentives are built to keep you uninformed, emotional, and rushed. Why? We'll start with Zillow. It's not a helpful search tool. It's a data predator. Every click, every saved home builds a profile Zillow sells to agents and lenders for thousands monthly. In 2024, their ad revenue hit $2.1 billion per their own reports. Zillow profits by flooding you with listings and pressure, not by ensuring you find the right home. They win when you're overwhelmed and pressured. Now, lenders, the system pushes them to maximize loan size, not your comfort. Why? Because bigger loans mean bigger fees and interest. A $400,000 loan at 7% versus 6%, that's $20,000 more in their pocket over time. Pre-approvals hype what you qualify for, not what's smart. Over 60% of buyers will get loans they could barely afford, per industry surveys. But good lenders, ones who prioritize your financial health, are out there, though they're hard to find. In Module 3, we'll show you how to spot them. Agents like me face similar pressure. Their commission, 2.5% to 3%, only kicks in when you close. A $500,000 home nets them $12,500. A $450,000 home, $1,250 less. The system rewards speed and higher prices, not always your best deal. Exceptional agents, and they are out there, who fight for your savings, exist but are rare gems in a crowded field. We'll teach you how to find them in Module 3, because a great agent is worth their weight in gold. This isn't about bad people, it's about a system wired for profit over your interest. You're given just enough information to shop and sign, while pros navigate a maze of hidden traps you can't see. Redfin data shows 70% of buyers wish they'd known more before closing. That's why you're set up to fail, unless you rewrite the game. This course is your winning hand. It's not tips. It's the casino's secret blueprint, built from my years in the trenches. You'll learn to dodge Zillow's data traps, question lender math, and partner with top-tier agents, saving thousands. In Module 4, you'll even master spotting deal breakers, like flood zones, faulty wiring, bad HVAC units, and of course, bad panels that'll cause fires if you don't address them. You go from a hopeful player stuck in a rigged game to a sharp, untouchable buyer who sets the rules. This knowledge is your edge. It protects your wallets, avoids costly mistakes, and lets you buy on your terms. My mission isn't commissions. It's empowering you to buy like a pro, not a pawn. In the next video, we dive deeper into Zillow's predatory profits, lender tricks, and how to align agents with your goals. Stick with me. You're about to take control.